Hit the spot, beat drop.
DeeJay smoke, wherever there's smoke, there's fire. What do I got in front of me here? Shout out Sid Wilson, Stop the Panic, Hard Rich, everybody out there that was involved. There might be more I'm missing, but check it out.
You scratch nerds, it's the ViperKitten.
In here, we got it. This is what they tell you could do to adjust. And let's see how simple it is. We're gonna break it out and we're gonna put it in the DJM S11 right here, right now. Here we go. First, we gotta take out the 6 screws. Let's do that. Okay, once you got it open up, you're gonna have a few different screws you're gonna have to take out here, and also you're gonna have to take out the feeling adjustment knob, because when this comes out, that also is gonna pop out with it. So I take care of my stuff too. I'm always constantly cleaning, but you don't realize underneath here how dirty and dusty it gets. That's crazy. Once you dive into this thing, there's gonna be 3 screws for the up faders you gotta take out, and you gotta remove those to the side. And then you have your master fader here, crossfader, you can pop right out. And you'll have the cable you gotta remove. And there's your crossfader. They give you a board, a breakout board, with some cable. Ooh, give you some Slip 2000 lube. Got some nice lube in there. Screwdriver, some screws, and some faders. Let's see here. So seeing, as you see, the difference in size, you're gonna need this package here. That is gonna be for the S11 mixer, and it'll give you another breakout board, some screws, and then the metal plate that's gonna hold the mixer in place, or the fader in place. Let's go. So you're gonna get these little screws here with some washers. You're gonna wanna put them on. So if that's the case, I'm gonna want to have the wings out on the top. This is where you're gonna wanna put the spacer on the back side of that, and then we're gonna screw it right there. All right, not too difficult, but a little time consuming because things are small and the screws are a little pain in the butt here and there, but I had to take out these faders, and there's, like I said, 3 screws for these up top faders. Once you take them out, you can put them in right back away once you get your Pioneer Magnum crossfader out, because this one now is small enough where you would be able to get in and out without having to remove these. That's actually one kind of plus, I guess. Once I get this in there and solidify it, I took the tape off of the board, breakout board, and I taped it right to the side, so that thing's not going to be in there wiggling around, moving at all. It's taped right to the sides. It was pretty simply layered, the board. Basically, you would take, come out of the fader and go into the fader section on the board, and then the Mag Pro cable that came out of the previous fader would go into the other side that says Mag Pro board, and then I believe everything should be ready to go. I didn't throw any lube on there yet because, I mean, it came really nice out of the box, so I'm gonna kind of keep it how it is. I would still be able to get in there and adjust the fader cut in time on both sides.